Hello friends, it is your friendly neighborhood Reza. I am here today to continue our adventure. We are doing the countdown to Halloween. I am doing lives every day until the 31st, or Halloween, October 31st, at 12 p.m. Central Time in the U.S. or 1 p.m. Eastern Time in the U.S. from Beautometry's page. And today we are opening, of course, another gift. Yesterday we opened some gem picker and placement stuff. And today we'll see what this box holds. I've kind of done I don't know if you're familiar with Your Skin But Better terminology for foundation. These are what I think of as Your Nails But Better or My Nails But Better. Like I've always got like various ridges or little white flecks and all sorts of stuff in mine that make it really impossible for me to do a negative space mani. But things like these natural base coats for coloration, for just to give you sort of an undercover. So this one is Dusty Rose by Hit the Bottle. And then there's a warm toned one. This one's called Sandy Beige, I believe. Hold on. Sandy Apricot, the tinted base coats. And then this one is an old scofflaw from a previous polish pickup, and I really do like this one. And this says Ugly Renaissance Baby Paintings. And fun piece of trivia that nobody cares about for today, those little kind of angels and those Renaissance paintings are collectively referred to as Pooty, P-U-T-T-I. Those fat little baby angels are Pooty. Alrighty, so let's, we're getting down to the very, very end, looks like. It's very exciting. So day 20 will be our last little gift to open, and we're going to work our way back. It looks like day 16 is going to be today. So let me take that out and replace the box where I've been keeping it, right by my work table. I'm going to go ahead and open this for you all. Except I appear to have moved all of my scissors. Why would I do that? I only remember the first place I see something. So when two pairs of scissors go missing, I've got myself a problem. All right. I really don't want to use my old fabric scissors. This is literally painful. These are Gingers. I don't know if you know anything about sewing scissors, but these are amazing sewing scissors. I'm going to put those right back. I don't even know what they are doing near my work table. I used to be a seamstress and costume designer. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Okay, we do have some glitter again today. Some of it is finer than others. I like all these individual pots. Oh my goodness. All right, we've got some real stuff here. Let me decide how I'm going to play with it. So, you know what? I am going to put another coat of black on this nail here because I think I might actually use the black today with all this glitter. I did have a suspicion that we might be able to use our little glitter placement tool that we bought yesterday, or got yesterday, sorry, in our advent box. So here's the tool I showed you how to use yesterday. We've got one end that is the wax and one end that is steel to sort of move around those tiny little gems. And I'm going to let him dry. I'll top coat him in just a minute. I don't want to, I'm going to use my good top coat, and I don't want to get any black in it. Okay, so for this one, it looks like we've got pink and gold, and they're hex glitters along with some other little glitters of various sizes. And then this one looks like turquoise, silver or gold, and red. This is one of my favorite color combinations. I love turquoise, white, and red. It is one of my favorite color combinations of all time. This reminds me of some polishes I've used lately. I think this is kind of on trend. This purple with the turquoise iridescence. Seriously beautiful stuff here. And then the last one looks like a kind of a, hollowish sort of a gold. We've got green reflectiveness and silver and blue and maybe some pink. Like, we've got all sorts of colors of reflectiveness here. So first thing I'm going to try is on the sandy. I'm going to go ahead and use this since it's, let's try this. All right, and I have an idea. I'm going to color block with, or attempt to color block with nail glue. Sorry, glitter glue, whatever, the brush on glue. Foil glue is what we call it. So, and this is the Beautometry version, of course. They sent this to me last year, and it is great. It goes on white. Once it dries clear, that is the sign that it is ready to be sticky. However, when I'm doing videos, I almost always try to apply it too early because I am not patient when I'm doing a live. I am trying to make everything hurry up so that I can have it on film and not have everybody bored. Another thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take one of my handy dandy little mixing things. Usually I use like bottle caps, like from 2-liter sodas like this, but well, I'm going to throw that away. But I am going to use this, which is a candle top, believe it or not. And I'm going to mix some generic nasty base coat, if I've got it on me. It's actually 99 cents at the Dollar Tree, and it's really great for various things except for being a base coat. Here we've got it. Here we've got it. Okay. So it's not a good top coat, it's not a good base coat, but that is what it's called. It's from LA Colors. So I'm going to put a bunch of, okay, let's see if we can put some of this glitter. I don't know that we can really burnish this. We have some extra sticking. I did kind of want this to be more simple. I think this may not be dry yet. This part may be wet. All right. Can I put this here? Thank you for joining me. So we've got various pieces of glitter, and I'm going to put down a base coat. We started out today with a paper towel because I knew we'd be working with some kind of glitter, and glitter gets everywhere. Like, it's everywhere. Okay, so let me pat this off and see if the glue is being... I'm getting extra, which is fine. Extra stick. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and top coat this to seal it in. We're going to need a few different layers. So if I have my generic, not that good. So here's some, I don't mean to be mean, but here's some top coat that I got from Polish Pickup, and I have not been very happy with it. It's supposed to smell like buttercup popcorn, and I mean, it smells nice, but it doesn't dry as firm as I would like it from my quick dry top coats. So I put this down, and I'm going to come back and reapply that. And that's just glitter in the center, really easy. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to mix a clear polish with glitter. And these are larger glitters, and I usually mix clear polish with smaller glitters. But we'll see how this works out. So we're going to go ahead and, I guess, do this one. Ah. All right, well, is this one sealed? I suppose we'll use this now. All right, so just a few little sprinkles. A little goes a long way. Oh, there was a little seal that I didn't see. And there. I do really love this purple with this turquoise iridescence. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix that together. And I thought I might be able to do something really different this time and pick it up with the what's the word? The steel bit. Because I don't really need the all right. I'm just gonna go ahead and give in. Right. So what I'm doing is I'm using this wand to sort of pick up the glitters and spread them across here. Very pretty. These are very pretty. All right. I hope this one comes with me peacefully. There we go. I like that scattered look. And we'll go ahead and top coat that one too. Here's the black. And I don't know exactly how I'll use it, but I think I might. And now I'm going to use this. Oh, thank you, Maria. I'm going to give it a try. And I'm really lightly moving this because I don't know how firmly these glitters are on. I do like that. I think I might add a different glitter that's finer. If I were doing this nail for my own manicure, I would add just a little bit of fine glitter elsewhere. But this would be a really good accent nail. Like, you have plenty of glitter here. There's no need to, I mean, unless you want to, you can put it all over the place if you want. But all right, and now I'm gonna do another coat of this. I do really like that center band. I actually really like that. And it was just an off-the-cuff idea. That's one thing. I do have no shortage of ideas. And at some point, I usually figure out how to execute them. I like that. I like that a lot. All right. Although there's glitter everywhere in my workspace now. Thank you, Therese. I'm just teasing. All right. Let's see. What else? There's a little bit of still, what's it called? What's the word? Top coat, right? It's still curing. It's still drying. So I'm going to give this a whirl. See if I can pick out some red. So I'm going to take this little gem picker and I'm going to try to pick up the red. There we go. All right. And we're going to pick up another one. No. Pick it up. Put it down. Pick it up. Move it over because that's pink and not red. All right. And one more. I dropped it. I think the top coat finally dried. But look how, like, I think that's a little bit more subtle. I really do like that. Thank you so much for joining me today, Maria. It was nice to have you. Okay. Put this back if I can. And hope that it's happy staying on the paper towel if not. All right, I'm going to take this, which is not a good top coat, as I have already explained to you, but I am going to see if it survives. Woo! Is it a gozer here or just a gloop? It was just a gloop. All right. And there we have another little way to use the glitter. I think that might be all for today. I really do like these glitters. I don't know if they are solvent safe, solvent proof, so I wouldn't mix them into polishes permanently. But these are pretty cool. I think everybody likes sparkle. So today I'll chalk that up to a win. And tell me in the comments below if you're on YouTube. Oh yeah, like, comment, and subscribe please if you can. That really helps me out, especially liking the video and commenting below. But yes, Marie, we got a lot of glitter. This is so flipping cute and cool and awesome. Yeah, let me know if you have any other ideas of how to maybe use the glitter in the comments on the YouTube channel. See if you use big glitters in different ways. I am interested. I was thinking about trying to, you know, use it to mix it with the top coat and then put it inside a reverse stamp. But these are larger glitters, and I'm glad I hadn't planned that, because that wouldn't, in my opinion, that wouldn't have worked for today's glitter. But all right, so I'll see you later. We have another one coming tomorrow at noon Central Time. And I mean, we're going to keep going until the end of October. So until that magic Halloween day, where real magic happens and the veil between the worlds is very thin. And with that, I will say avoid the ghouls, but kiss the witches. You have an awesome day.